ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಉದಯವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಅವಿನಾಶ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಸೋನು ನಿಗಮ್ ಅವರ ಬರ್ತ್ಡೇ. ಸೋನು ನಿಗಮ್ ಈ ಹೆಸರೇ ಸಾಕು, ಅವರ ಪರಿಚಯ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಬ್ಬ ಅದ್ಭುತ ಗಾಯಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ನಟ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾಡೆಲ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಂಪೋಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಡೀಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮುಂಗಾರು ಮಳೆ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಂದ ನಂತರ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ 2006. 2006ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರರಂಗಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಕಾರಣ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಡುಗಳು ಕೂಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಮನೋಮೂರ್ತಿ, ಸೋನು ನಿಗಮ್, ಜಯಂತ್ ಕಾಯ್ಕಿನಿ ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರಗೀತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ಬೇರೆದೇ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ತಲುಪಿತು. ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗಾಸ್ ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋನು ನಿಗಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಕಾರಣ. ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ನಡೆಸಿದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಪಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸುಮಾರು 20 ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ಬಹಳ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ರು. ಒಂದು 4-5 ಸಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತಯಾರಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನಿಂದ ಅದು ನಡೆದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫೈನಲಿ ಅದು 5ನೇ ಸಲ ಏನಿತ್ತು ನಡೆದೋಯ್ತು. ಸುಮಾರು 18 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಹಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸೌಮ್ಯತೆಯೇ ಅವರ ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡದ ಮೊದಲ ಅವರ ಗುರು ಯಾರು, ಅವರು ಮೊದಲು ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಯಾರು, ಮೊದಲು ಹಾಡಿದ ಹಾಡು ಯಾವುದು, ನಂತರ ಅವರ ಮೊದಲ ಆಲ್ಬಮ್ ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ತುಂಬಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಡನಾಟ ಇರುವಂತ ಕಂಪೋಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಹಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅವರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಅವ್ರ ಜೀವನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸುಮಾರು 3 ಹಾಡುಗಳನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಅವರು ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಶನವನ್ನ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂತು. ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಆದರೆ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಹಂಚಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
If it's a Kannada song, I make it a point to put it in my story. But I think the kind of love I've received from Karnataka, Odisha, Bengal, Marathi. So I would say Karnataka stands probably even more than Hindi sometimes. Anywhere I go, I hear one voice, Kannada! Or translating exactly his emotions into Hindi and maybe, stealing it from him. But when I understand the meaning, भाई आदमी क्या सोच रहा है? हमेशा be like, oh, Jayant ji क्या सोचते हैं? Jayant ji is like,
Yeah.
I'm missing it now. I am missing Manamurthy ji, and they want to try to make sure that सोनू निगम को भी पता चलना चाहिए कि मैं भी बहुत great composer हूँ.
Sonu ji, namaste.
Namaste. I'm so sorry. It's a busy day, very busy day.
That's okay. We understand. My name is Avinash, and I'm going to carry you through this conversation. So nice to have you on this platform, Sonu ji. Thank you very
Thank you
much for
so much.
coming. Thank you.
Pleasure.
Basically, we want to know more about your love and affection towards Kannada, Karnataka, and Kannadigas. We have done a lot
I
of
think it's
research.
there is nothing more to it. There is nothing more to it. People already know that I what I have for the Kannadigas, but yeah, we can reiterate it today.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Pura dekhiye, if I was living in Bangalore, then I would have definitely been speaking in Kannada. But I live in Maharashtra. Even in Maharashtra, people don't speak in Marathi that much.
Yeah.
Because the industry that I work in converses more in English probably, less in Hindi and Urdu,
Yeah.
and even least in other languages.
Yeah.
But yeah, when I sing a Kannada song, I don't sing it randomly.
Yeah.
In fact, I pay more attention on Kannada songs than I pay attention on the Hindi song lyrics because I don't know the language Kannada. So
Yeah.
when I listen to Hindi, it's like taken for granted.
Yeah.
So when I sing a Hindi song, I focus on the emotions and I focus on the technique and all. But when I sing Kannada song, besides the technique and emotion, I also focus on the meaning of the words because I don't want to go wrong and express a sad emotion in a happy way, and vice versa.
Yeah, you have a permanent place in the heart of each and every Kannadiga. Thank you very much for coming to Karnataka and singing Kannada film songs and taking our language and the songs to the next level. Because even a non-Kannadiga today is listening to Kannada songs. Maybe Sonu Nigam is one of the main reasons for it. And can you please recall your days of singing the first ever Kannada song?
My first ever Kannada song was by I think by the initiation of Vishnu Vardhan ji.
Yeah, it was
And
in '96, I believe. Yeah.
yeah, and Hamsalekha ji had composed it.
Yeah.
Uh, and Vishnuvardhan ji was very, very like he was. I think he himself sang very well. He sang in front of me. He was अच्छा गाते थे उसमें.
Yeah.
And he was uh, he really liked me, and he said that we should. I want you to sing this song. Probably I have it in me that I can sing multiple languages easily because of the art of impersonation. When somebody is teaching me something, I see the lip movement and I see the expression and I see how they talk and how they are, where the accent lies. So I could do it nicely. And of course, Hamsadekha ji, very kind man, even till today, I always see him and I greet him with a lot of warmth and regard because he was my first, teacher in Kannada, and he's a legend and icon by himself.
Yeah.
And even today, when I met him just recently, and he recollected the day when my son was born, and he was very new, and we were doing the song of Hamsalekha ji in my studio in Mumbai. And he said, "Remember, something like that." It was a
Yeah.
child song, and but incidentally, he was making me sing that song, and my
Yeah.
son was just born. So he was brought to the studio, and I have the video of Hamsalekha ji and me singing that for my son.
That's nice.
So I have fond memories of Kannada icons, and I'm very honored that I have gotten a chance to उनका सानिध्य पाने का मुझे मौका मिला.
So, a little about the album Neene Bari Neene, which probably was released in the year 2009-10.
Yes.
Yeah, we understand that it was actually your initiative only, if I'm not
Yes,
wrong.
it was
Yeah,
my
in fact,
initiative.
yeah, it was your initiative. Just to thank the people of Karnataka for giving
Yeah,
you all
yeah.
for all the love. There were 9 songs in the album, and all were written by Jayant Kaikini sir,
Jayant
and
ji.
Mano Murthy ji had composed all the compositions.
Ji, ji.
What was the thought behind this album, Sonuji?
There was the only idea was to get independent music also rolling in Karnataka, and it was appreciated at that point. But of course, you need a lot more ammunition for promotion and marketing and a solo album, and that machinery is utilized more for films and cinema. But nevertheless, it was a very beautiful experience. I really thank Mano Murthy ji and Jayant Kaikini ji for joining me with this initiative, and we all worked it out together. बहुत अच्छा. It was. I think it was something which I will always remember, cherish.
Yeah.
And the songs are still there in the heart and mind of people.
Yeah. Sonuji, you have made this statement many number of times in most of your live concerts that wherever you go, in any part of the world you're performing, and you find one Kannadiga right there back in the audience and screaming, shouting Kannada, and you sing one song for them.
Always. I don't care where I am. I don't care if there are Punjabi Sardar sitting in front of me, or if there are only Maharashtrians sitting in front of me, or if there are only Gujus, Gujarati sitting in front of me.
Yeah.
Anywhere I go, I hear one voice, Kannada! And I have to sing that necessity for them.
And Jayant Kaikini sir always mentions that it is the love anthem. Tani Sutta Dayako Hindi is always a love anthem. So now I want to know about the lyrics of the legendary lyricist Jayant Kaikini, because most of the songs sung by you are penned by him. So what do you have to say about his lyrics, Sonuji?
I sometimes, feel like replicating his or translating exactly his emotions into Hindi and maybe, stealing it from him. Because he's not writing in Hindi. When we write, because now I've forgotten what I sing, but when I'm singing over there, when we are writing on the lyrics, and then I ask the meaning, and then I get to know, oh my God, what is he thinking? So he is one of the most special souls, because you need to have a very great soul to be able to think that much. You cannot be clever. He's not a clever man. He's a wise man, and he's a person with a lot of depth, because you cannot be cunning and clever and come out with such analogies and the kind of thoughts he comes up. That I feel when I listen to his lyrics, when I listen to the meaning of his lyrics, because I don't understand Kannada, but when I understand the meaning, अरे आदमी क्या सोच रहा है? And हमेशा be like, oh ho, Jayant ji क्या सोचते हैं? Jayant ji is like, so I have a lot of respect for him. And that was what I said earlier was a joke, but I'm telling you, if his thoughts are translated into Hindi and they are made not just Hindi. I mean, if his thoughts are translated to any language, they will stand out for the uniqueness. He's that great a writer.
Fabulous. What do you have to say about the trio, the Sonu Nigam, Manumurti, and Jan Kaikini trio? Yeah.
I'm missing it now. I am missing Manamurti ji. He's one of the most amazingly humble and soft-spoken man, and the kind of trust he has on me when I'm singing. You know, there are people who just get sometimes too enamored by the success, and they want to try to make sure that Sonu Nigam को भी पता चलना चाहिए कि मैं भी बहुत great composer हूँ. देखो मैंने correct किया, देखो मैंने. He doesn't have an iota of that kind of thing in him that now I have to show Sonu Nigam that I am the composer.
Sure.
He comes with so much, uh, confidence in me, faith in me. He teaches me the song, then he looks at me and he knows that I will learn it quickly. He will bring Ahilya ji. Normally, she comes to assist us with the lyrics. Another very beautiful lady with a very calm demeanor, and she has the precision. Then she corrects me that this is this and this is that and this is the meaning of this thing and this has to be. So I'm telling you, I am surrounded with good people, and Manamurti ji and Jayant Yagini ji have been one of those good people. Besides many other in Kannada, of course, and V. Hari Krishna is one of my amazing soulmate. He comes up with some great songs. We have such a great bonding.
Yeah.
Arjun Janya, these all people I've worked regularly with, and I hope that they can always be a part of my life.
Recently, when you were in Bangalore as one of the guests in one of the function, you made a statement that in your previous birth that you were a Kannadic.
I know.
Isn't it?
I believe in all these things. I mean, anyway, although I feel that there are multiple perceptions of the reality of the existence. But if there is a previous birth,
Yeah.
then there will be multiple previous births.
Yeah.
Then I have been a Kannada,
Mhm.
Kannadiga. I've been a Kannadiga, and 25 years back, I used to think I must have been an Odia because
Oh,
I used to sing 40 Odia songs a month. I
right.
used to sing that many songs, but now I have kind of not sung Odia song in a long time.
Mhm.
So if these things, I've sung songs in about 32 languages, in 32, 33 languages. So I've sung in a lot of languages. So, but I think the kind of love I've received from Karnataka, Odisha, Bengal, Marathi. So I would say Karnataka stands probably even more than Hindi sometimes.
Yeah,
So that I say that without. I mean, I hope the Hindi speaking audience don't take it against, but the fact is fact. I've sung some great songs in Kannada. Facts can't lie, you see?
yeah, definitely. And that's what Wikipedia also says that Sonu Nigam is a singer predominantly, mostly in Hindi and in
Yeah.
Kannada.
अभी कुछ टाइम में कन्नड़ा and हिंदी होने वाला है.
Correct. Yeah. Now, there's so many Kannadiga friends of yours. Soumya Rao, once you said,
Yeah.
dear friend to you, also Vijay Prakash, and recently.
Soumya has guided me a lot.
Yeah.
Sometimes, what happens is, and no offense to not everybody knows the language correctly. You see, in Hindi also, we see a lot of people speaking the language wrong. Somebody will say Shonu Nigam to me. So they don't understand the difference of a sir or a sh, or azadi ko they will say ajadi.
Yeah.
So zyada ko jyada bol denge wo. So in Kannada also you get people who don't know the language, so they will guide me wrong. And I don't understand kya bol rahe. No sir, I'm saying this. I said, no, but you're saying this, but it's written like this. No sir, but I'm saying this. No, but you just said that you're saying like this. No sir, we're saying this. But you just said this, so they confuse me. So then I used to call up Soumya Rao.
Yeah.
Soumya, please help me out. So she's helped me in a lot of songs. So thanks to her.
Yeah. Sonji, I would like to mention few songs apart from Anisuti there, because the history, everything started from Anisuti there. But there are lots and lots of lot more songs which have been massive hit not only in Karnataka but across the world. Few to mention is Ninindale, which happens to be another your favorite song. ಈ ಸಂಜೆ ಯಾಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೀನಿಂದಲೇ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮಳೆಯಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ತಂಗಾಳಿಯು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಏನೆಂದು ಹೆಸರಿಡಲಿ ಈ ಚಂದ ಅನುಭವಕ್ಕೆ, then ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಈ ಗುಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಮಿಲು ನೀನು.
Correct. See, I don't get to hear these songs because we don't get these songs on radio over here. Yeah. And even in Hindi, I hardly remember the songs when you sing a song, you generally don't get to remember those songs because I keep singing so many songs. The data has to be, you have to create a compartment where you have all those songs that you sang. Then you get to hear them. अरे हाँ ये तो हमने गाया था. अरे हाँ मैं तो ये भी गा रखा है. So when you live in Bombay, then you don't really get to listen to a lot of Kannada songs. But yeah, people keep sending me. I keep a track of them on social media. So whenever I get a song on my social media, which is a Kannada song, I make it a point that I'm not the kind of person who makes stories and all. But if
Okay.
it's a Kannada song, I make it a point to put it in my story. So that
That's
even I remember, and people also remember that.
Yeah. A little more to remind you, Sonuji. If you remember the song Modala Malayante Bhuvige Ilide Mellage, that was also another Modala
हाँ
Malayante.
हाँ अभी सी ऐसे याद नहीं आएगा मुझे. I'll have to listen to it in my
अभी ये देखिए संजू मत्तु गीता सेरबेकु.
Sanju Matugita. See, I remember this one. I remember the Titanic hero. See, I remember some songs because they were the first songs, so they were fresh in my memory.
Now, I would like to request at least 4 lines of any Kannada song of your choice for all the for all your fans in Karnataka.
I wish I knew the lyrics of that. I love that song. Gamanisu na 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 na, le la le la na 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 na, de re re ra ra la le la la re re. Hridayada mole mole Bharat. See, I remember the tune. Da-da-da, la 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 la. La 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 la. I love this song. What a beautiful composition. So if I had the lyrics of these songs with me, I would have been able to sing. But I'll sing the. Please have a seat. I'll sing a song. वही गाता हूँ अनिस जो which I can sing without the lyrics.
Definitely, please.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು ನೀನೇನೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗೆ ಬಂದವಳೆಂದು ಆಹಾ ಎಂತ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
Sonuji, thank you very much for your precious time. It's really it was an honor to have you
Thank
here
you.
on
Thank
our
you very much.
platform. And as I mentioned in the beginning, you have a permanent place in the heart of each and every Kannadiga, Sonuji. Thank you very much.
I
Keep
thank
coming
God.
to Karnataka every now
I
and
thank
then.
God for this. I thank God. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the wishes and all the love. Thank you.
Thank you so much.